Today I've got a 20-minute body weight HIIT workout for you. We're going to start the workout with a warm-up. I've got 4 exercises for you to follow along, and then we're going to go into the main part of the workout. Now I'm going to be doing the low impact version, but we're also going to give you the high impact, more advanced version of each exercise as well. So if you're ready to go, get ready, join me and follow along. Okay, let's get started with the warm-up. I've got 4 exercises. I'm going to begin with a body weight squat that goes into an RDL, or a Romanian deadlift. So we'll be working on that deep squat and then warming up the posterior chain of the body as well. Set your feet in a nice squat position. Let's bring our arms to the head. We're going to begin with a squat. Next into an RDL, so we're going to hinge in the hips. Looks like this from the side. Nice deep squat and a hinge in the hips. Trying to keep that tabletop flat back. Okay, give me some arm circles now. We're going to do 20 seconds, bringing the arms forward. Feel a gentle stretch across the chest. And then we'll take it back. Okay, next we're going into single leg Romanian deadlifts. So standing on one leg, hinge it down, coming up. Think of both hips facing forward towards the floor, coming up, making sure not to roll the hips open like this. Okay, standing oblique crunch, want me to reach up, knee to elbow. We're going to work 20 seconds on one side, 20 seconds on the other. Okay, change sides. Okay, give me a 40-second rest. We're going to prepare for the main part of the workout now. I've got 5 body weight exercises for you. Follow along with me for the low impact version, and for the higher impact versions, we'll give you those options as well. To begin, we're going to start off with squats, and I want you to get nice and deep with each squat. Begin with the feet hip width apart. Okay, let's get ready to go with these deep squats. Take a rest. Up next, we've got alternating reverse lunges. Let's get nice and low with each of these lunges. big step backs. Okay, up next we've got standing bicycle crunches. Okay, so we're going to be really getting that knee to elbow, get the knees up nice and high. Get set with the arms by your head. Okay, take a rest. Now we've got butt kicks. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the low impact version for you, so follow along. We've also got our high impact version of this exercise as well. Okay, we're going to step and bring that heel to your bottom. Really try and kick it up, fire that hamstring up. Okay, take a little rest now. Okay, up next we've got high knees. Again, follow along with me for the low impact version, and we'll give you that high impact version as well. Okay, get ready. Bring that knee up. Keep that knee up nice and high. Okay, you've got a 40-second rest now, so grab some water if you need it, have a little rest, step it out. We're going to be going into our second round. So again, we've got those 5 exercises, follow along with me for the low impact version. We'll step it up a notch this time and try with the higher impact exercise. Okay, we're going into our squats or our squat jumps next. Let's go. Take a little rest. We're going to go into those alternating reverse lunges next. Okay, 20-second rest, guys. We've got standing bicycle crunches up next. Okay, we're going to bring our hands up to our head, knee to opposite elbow, work those abs. Okay, take that rest, 20 seconds. Up next, you've got your butt kicks, flicking up those heels to your glutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, bring it down. We've got the high knees next. Get those knees nice and high. Okay, we're finishing round 2. We've got one more round to do. The third and final round. Finishing off with those 5 exercises. If you want to push yourself a little bit, go with the high impact version and get that heart rate up even higher. Okay, let's get set for those squats. Getting nice and deep with each squat, still keep good quality if you're doing the low impact version. Let's go. Next, got alternating reverse lunges. Next, we're going into standing bicycle crunches. Okay, knee to elbow, let's go. Okay, final exercise, we've got high knees. Okay, get those knees up. Well done for joining in. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments if you tried the low impact version, and if you tried the high impact version, let me know how you got on. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos as well. We've got more body weight home workouts that you can do.